Black Lewis.
Roll down with the witches.
I made it. That was the guy who
Your
made
national word.
I made it.
Dealing.
It's not
Yeah, Jen.
Lewis, it's not
Halloween started in Scotland
And Ireland.
It's like the Day of the Dead in Mexico.
In America, we have pumpkin lanterns.
In Scotland we see neeps.
In America, we do trick or treat.
In Scotland we go guising.
Hey, let's go, guys, and come on.
I'm going to give so much candy. Where's the black juicy?
Do you like hands?
No, the other.
Come on, let's go, guys, and come on.
Come on.
Happy guising.
Happy guising.
Katie Birdie had a coo, black and white about the moon. Wasn't that a bonny coo? Dance Katie Birdie. What's the coldest place in Scotland? Edinburgh. Did you hear about the magic tractor? Drove up the road and turned into a field.
First comes the Cairn Feast, next Halloween. I got myself a muckle neep frae Farmer Brunia Stream.
I hollow out the inside milk flags on in a new. I put a liquor candle to give them all a grew.
We're ready now for guising, and all the friendly folk gie aipples, nuts and siller to fill the guisers' poke.
We'll finish up at my house, dunking in a bine, and eating trumpet tatties like old lang syne.
There's twa donkeys standing in a field. One donkey says to the other donkey, "What you doing tonight?" The other donkey says, "Eat all."
Ally bally bee, sitting on your mammy's knee, greeting for a wee bobby to buy some cooter's candy.
There's 10 coos in the field, which one's off on holiday? The one with the wee calf.
Three Craws sat upon a wall, sat upon a wall, sat upon a wall. Three Craws sat upon a wall on a cold and frosty morning. The first Craw was greeting for his ma, was greeting for his ma, was greeting for his ma. The first Craw was greeting for his ma on a cold and frosty morning. The second Craw fell and broke his jaw, fell and broke his jaw, fell and broke his jaw. The second Craw fell and broke his jaw on a cold and frosty morning. The third Craw couldn't flee at all, couldn't flee at all, couldn't flee at all. The third Craw couldn't flee at all on a cold and frosty morning. The fourth Craw wasn't there at all, wasn't there at all, wasn't there at all. The fourth Craw wasn't there at all on a cold and frosty morning.
That might work.
Be Michael Spire.
Needin any guisers.
I think I should like that.
Yay! You can do this!
Donkey.
Lucy.
I got some.
Done.
Needin any guisers?